Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Did your iPhone battery start draining much faster after installing iOS 27 beta? Battery drain is one of the most commonly reported issues after installing a major software update. Increased background activity and new system processes can sometimes cause your battery to run down more quickly than expected. In this video, I'll show you a few quick settings that may help improve battery performance. And if you want to fix the issue completely, I recommend downgrading to a previous stable iOS version. I'll also show you the downgrade process. Let's get started. Step 1, turn off background app refresh. Open the Settings app and tap General. Scroll down and select Background App Refresh. From here, you can turn off background refresh for apps you don't need updating in the background or disable the feature entirely. When this feature is enabled, apps can continue refreshing content in the background even when you're not using them, which may lead to increased battery consumption on iOS 27 beta. Step 2, disable unnecessary location services. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find it, then tap Location Services. Look for apps with a location arrow icon next to them. These are apps that have recently accessed your location. Turn off location access for apps that don't need to track your location all the time. You can also disable location services entirely. However, keep in mind that this may affect the functionality of certain apps that rely on location data. Step 3, enable adaptive power mode. Go to Settings and tap Battery. Select Power Mode. Turn on adaptive power mode. This feature automatically adjusts power usage based on your usage habits and system activity, helping your iPhone extend battery life throughout the day. Method 2, downgrade from iOS 27 beta using ReiBoot. If the battery drain remains severe, downgrading to a previous stable iOS version may be the most effective solution. If you're looking for an easy way to downgrade your iPhone, I use ReiBoot for the process. It allows you to download official firmware, downgrade iOS, and even back up your device in just a few clicks. Here's how to do it. Launch ReiBoot on your computer and connect your iPhone to computer. Before downgrading, it's recommended to back up your device to prevent data loss. You can back up your iPhone directly in ReiBoot, which is often faster and more convenient than using iTunes. Once the backup is complete, return to the main screen and click iOS upgrade/downgrade. Select downgrade to continue. ReiBoot will automatically detect the compatible firmware versions available for your device. Choose your preferred stable iOS version and click download. Wait for the firmware package to finish downloading. After the download is complete, click Initiating Downgrade. Keep your iPhone connected throughout the process and avoid disconnecting the cable. ReiBoot will automatically install the firmware and restart your device when the downgrade is complete. After the reboot, your iPhone will be running the selected stable iOS version. At this point, your battery performance should return to normal. If this video helped you solve the battery drain issue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.